Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys or giving you tips on how to be safe on Omegle. So if you're considering to use Omegle, then watch this video in order to avoid this mistake, alright? So follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So the first little tip I want to give you guys is, since Omegle matches you with random people and you can use Omegle without having to create an account. So even if you get scammed or you get something happen to you, you cannot complain or you cannot find what the other party did, because it's a free app without any account, so you cannot report them or you cannot do anything. So you need to be safe yourself. And when you're talking with random strangers on Omegle, make sure to not share any private information about you. You can talk with anything random, but do not give your private information like your name, your country, your location, or the things you do and your online information, ID, stuff like that. Do not give that, alright? So other thing you need to keep on mind is there are a lot of bots on Omegle, so you wouldn't know if you're chatting with some bot, but if they give you some external link like go to this site to chat with me or go to this, that, do not go to that link, because if you go to that link, then there is a 90% chance that your computer is going to get virus or your IP is going to be tracked and your other stuff might be hacked. So you need to keep that in mind to not do that, alright? And if you're chatting with a stranger and some uncomfortable topic comes up and you want to skip, you can basically do this. So let me just chat with someone random over here. So it's going to match me up with someone random, and let's say I'm feeling a bit uncomfortable chatting with this guy over here. What I can do is just click on stop, click on really, and then I can click on new chat and I can talk with someone random, or I can just close Omegle all by itself. So yeah, that's how you guys can be safe on Omegle. These are the tips. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.